All right, guys, got the new KLR here. Yep, got the new KLR. Picked it up last night, and yeah, pretty happy with it. It's got a few scratches on it right there, a little bit right there, but that's okay. And yeah, got a nice little muffler. And I just pulled this off the old KLR because I have a guy coming from Kingman, so I think this one's going away today. And yeah, just a little comparison. You can see this, people call this one fat. It's actually skinny. This thing is more girthier from here to here than my T-Ray, so T700. But anyway, yeah, you know, if it wasn't for the keychain, I wouldn't have bought it. But anyway, the guy left his quad lock, and the phone case actually fits my phone case. It's got the bark busters on it. It's got the full crash bar. Has the upper fender kit on it. Oh, it's got the super tall windscreen by WRS. Okay, well, technical difficulties. I was attaching the microphone to my lapel. So yeah, it's got the bark busters on it. It's got the little shorty levers on it. Got the full cage. Got the crash bar. Looks like it's got the CFmoto skid plate on it, which is cool. It's got the high fender kit. Nice, just like the KLR. Tubeless wheels. Nice. And oh, he's got the lower chain defense on, which is right there. Well, I guess that's just a guide. Okay. No, it's the actual chain defense. Okay. It's got a bottom to it. And yeah, it's got the tall seat. You know, it's got the CFmoto side racks, this rack, which is metal. And then he's got the fake Provic muffler, however you say that. And then he's got the nice foot pegs. Crash bar is kind of scuffed there, but that's cool. That's cool. They did their jobs. That's good. Yeah, what else on this thing? I guess, yeah, you know. So this is what I got in poor KLR. He's just so upset. But I don't need both. This big reason, this thing has tubeless and a 6-speed. So KLR, goodbye. Also got the small tusk rack or bags for it. One of these has a burn mark in it. There it is. But that's fine. It still holds. And we got this guy. Nice. Let's see. Oh. It's got some brand new like Battle Axe Bridgestone street tires in case I choose to road race it. I guess they were on the bike when he got it. The guy got it from second owner. Got the stock fender. And these boots actually fit me. It's got brand new city boots, sidey boots, whatever. Got the low seat. And then it's got the stock muffler, which I may put the stock muffler back on. Just for the fact that this one's a little loud, and maybe if he had the baffle, I would keep it on. So I'll see about ordering that, but I think I just like the deep rumble of the stock. I'm an old guy. And hold on, let me get a Flying Tiger cup of coffee. It also came with kind of a medium. I got small, medium, and large. This is the stock windscreen. This is the original tail. Got a manual. These aren't even open, but brand new Kiwa, more Chinese stuff. Aux lights. And then this is the wiring harness for the aux light. I guess it plugs into the CFmoto. And there's the instructions. I don't know if these are stock or what, but anyway, give me those. And then here's the charger. Oh, I was going to say, here's the case for it, the quad lock case. Will fit my phone. And then this one is a 450 MT bracket of some kind. I have no idea. Oh, he's already got the 15 tooth on because he gave me the 14 tooth sprocket. So that was one of the things I was going to do. And he gave me the cruise control. And then it's got a 450 radiator guard. And he said the tire hits it or something. So I'll have to check that out. Then this is a... Oh, it's a disc brake lock. Wow, I can use this on mini bikes. All right, that's my Indian name, mini bikes. So anyway, that was my super score. So anyway, I'm Flying Tiger coffee guy. So anyway, I know this broke. They break. But anyway, there's a guy coming from Kingman for this, so I'm assuming he's going to buy it. This thing's a smoking good bike. I was hoping to put that trunk on here, but he asked if it came with the trunk, and I said yeah. It was $50 on Amazon, or no, what's the other one? Or not YouTube? Geez, eBay. It was like $53 on eBay, so I'll get another one for this one. So anyway, but yeah, that's the new ride. It's got 3,600 miles on it. I got it all set up on my phone now. I know nothing about it, and I haven't even ridden it yet. So I'm going to try and get down to just a couple bikes, believe it or not. I'm growing tired of the mess. But anyway, yeah, that's the new Scoot. She looks pretty good. I thought it'd be a good reference if I put it with the old KLR. Oh, the other thing, the guy had sent it, he bought it from a friend of his who didn't really care for it. That's why it had the street tires on it. So when he got it, he put brand new Bridgestone Trail Max missions. So those things will last, oh God, 15,000 miles. So yeah, it has a brand new pair of Trail Max missions, has the tail tidy. I think he just ordered a lot of the Tusk stuff, which is fine. So, but yeah, I'm kind of thrilled with the Trail Max missions because I actually like those tires. Out here in the Southwest, they work pretty good. Oh, it's the mailman. Person, it's a female. But yeah, came with all the accessories and was a smoking deal. So aren't they always? So anyway, but yeah, it was a steal. So anyway, he was gonna have his wife was pregnant. He's gonna have another kid, so that's why he sold it. And then they bought a new Ford Bronco for the enlarging family. So anyway, but that's all I know, guys. This is the new scooter. That's the old scooter. And you know, as cool as that is, it's not a 6-speed. I do dearly love riding it, but it's not a 6-speed. And it's got tubes in it. And I'm just getting too old to be on the road and having to worry if I get a flat, a screw or something like that that's going to take it out. But yeah, this one has the DR650 forks and progressive rear shock and all that kind of stuff. So, and then I've gone through the whole thing. Everything's grease, lubed. I take it to work about once a week. So anyway, but yeah, new boots. It's so cool. Got bags. All right, would you guy out in the KLR factory? Yeah, my new KLR. All right. Yeah. Oh, and the toolbox is underneath, and yeah, like I said, I'll take this to work tonight. So I haven't even ridden it. So yeah, we'll get it going. So widget guy out.